Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're hitting the trails with a look at the best electric mountain bikes available. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a seasoned rider, or just looking to take your off-road experience to the next level, these EMTBs offer the perfect blend of power, performance, and durability. We'll be showcasing top models that excel in rugged terrain, steep climbs, and long rides. Ready to find your ultimate electric mountain bike? Let's get started. And don't forget, all the product links are in the description below. Number 5. Canyon Spectral CF8 Electric Mountain Bike. Canyon Spectral CF8 Electric Mountain Bike is an impressive fusion of cutting-edge technology and high-performance design. Aimed at serious trail enthusiasts, this full-carbon electric bike stands out with its superior strength, enhanced handling, and remarkable battery life. Let's delve into what makes the Spectral CF8 a top contender in the EMTB market. Full carbon frame for optimal performance. The Canyon Spectral CF8 features a full carbon fiber frame designed to push the limits of what's possible on the trail. By transitioning the entire Spectral lineup to carbon fiber, Canyon has optimized the frame's architecture, resulting in increased strength at critical points while significantly reducing weight. This combination of enhanced frame strength and reduced weight not only boosts overall stiffness, but also improves handling precision and suspension performance, making it a dream to ride on any terrain. Powerful battery for extended adventures. When it comes to range, the Spectral CF8 doesn't hold back. Number 4. Merida E160 675 Electric Mountain Bike. In the world of electric mountain bikes, the Merida E160 675 stands out as a game-changer. The era of the traditional EMTB is behind us, and now, riders must choose which type of EMTBer they want to be. Merida's new E160 lineup, including the 675 model, reflects this evolution by offering bikes tailored to specific riding styles without compromising on performance. No compromise, e-enduro performance. The Merida E160 675 is built on a completely new platform that draws from the extensive development of Merida's human-powered 160 range. This EMTB offers two distinct models, both sharing the same core ingredients, but designed with different priorities in mind. The E160 CF is crafted for riders who prioritize agility and handling. With its lightweight full-carbon frame and integrated 600 Wh battery, this model delivers uncompromising e-enduro performance. On the other hand, E160 Lite features a durable aluminum frame and a high-capacity 750 Wh battery, making it the ideal choice for those who seek long-range adventures across rugged terrains. Number 3. Rad Rover 6 Plus Electric Fat Tire Bike. The Rad Rover 6 Plus Electric Fat Tire Bike is the latest iteration of Rad Powerbike's flagship model, designed to conquer everything from city streets to rugged mountain trails. Known for its durability, versatility, and impressive power, the Rad Rover 6 Plus has set the standard in the electric bike industry. Whether you're commuting, exploring, or just enjoying the ride, this e-bike is engineered to deliver an exceptional experience. The Rad Rover 6 Plus is no ordinary e-bike. Rolling Stone hails it as the next generation of personal transportation, while Electric Bike Report describes it as a Class 2 fat tire electric bike that's designed for paved and unpaved joyrides. With its robust build, powerful motor, and all-terrain capabilities, it's no wonder this bike is one of the most imitated models on the market. Geared hub motor. The 750-watt geared hub motor provides exceptional hill climbing power, making it easy to tackle steep inclines even at lower speeds. Whether you're riding on pavement or rough terrain, Number 2. Pivot Shuttle SL Pro EMTB. The Pivot Shuttle SL Pro EMTB is a cutting-edge electric mountain bike that delivers top-tier performance in a lightweight, sleek design. Built for serious trail riders, the Shuttle SL Pro offers an ideal blend of power, agility, and customization. With its full carbon frame and advanced drive system, this EMTB sets a new standard in the world of electric bikes. Full carbon hollow core frame. The Shuttle SL Pro boasts a full carbon hollow core frame that is not only incredibly lightweight, but also extremely durable. This sleek design provides both strength and agility, making it perfect for tackling challenging trails while maintaining excellent handling. Fazua Ride 60 Drive System. Number 1. Focus Jam 2 SL 9.9 EMTB. Focus Jam 2 SL 9.9 is a standout in the new Focus Jam 2 SL e-mountain bike lineup, designed for riders who crave speed, agility, and top-tier performance on technical trails. This model combines a sleek, minimalist design with advanced features that make it a top contender in the world of EMTBs. Whether you're navigating tight corners or taking on the fastest lines in rugged terrain, Focus Jam 2 SL 9.9 is engineered to deliver an exceptional ride. I hope you like this video. I have tried my best to provide accurate information about the products that are available on the market so that you can pick the correct product for your purpose. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.